Hi there, guys. I'm coming at you with a video, and it has been a long time since I've done a haul video. All right, let's begin. One thing that I ordered were, I love foils, and I know you see the nails. Yeah, let me go ahead and show these. Forgive my hands because I just washed my hands, and these are going to be posted on Instagram. I did not do a video for these. It's just clear press-on nails, and I used these nails by Nail Couture. That's what the press-on, the bottom part is made of. Let me see if I can find one. Maybe you can see it a little clearer in this one. That's what this part is made of, is these right here. These are the nails, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and show these here so that you can see them. Anyway, I did these with some foils, and these are the foils that I did. I ordered these, and you can see, yeah, I use these for the nails I have on. And I got 4 sets, 4 different sets, because I love foils. Foil flakes. And these are the ones that I really wanted. I really wanted the tubes, these bottles. These are the ones that I really wanted. And I ended up ordering these just the other week. And I came in from Amazon. If there's anything in this video that you want a link to, let me know in the comments, and I will show you. I will put the link in the description box. And there are 9, I think, of these, and they are awesome because I like foils. I really do. All these different colors. I have the green one, silver, gold, purple, red. That's like a pink color. This one is the black. This one is the copper look. And I also have the blue one. Got all of these. 9. And I wanted these for so long. They've been in my cart on Amazon forever. I got in these. These are nail cuticle pins. It's something like this. I've had this one for years too, and I never used it until recently. Truth is, guys, most of the time when I do my nails, after I do my nails, I forget to put cuticle oil on, but lately I have been remembering what this one looks like. And here's this one. And it comes with a little instruction booklet, if you can see, a little instruction booklet. And here's the other ones. They're different, you know, scents of, and I'm not going to take each one individually out because I haven't used this, and I will not use it. These came in with these foils right here. These right here came with the foils. These picker little tweezer things. I also ordered these. I got 2 of these. I ordered these from eBay, and I got 2 in a pack. It was a good deal because just one by itself was $9. The 2 were $10. So I got 2 of them, and I plan to order some more. So the peel off base coat. I really been needing this. And I also ordered these little stands right here for press-ons. I also have these, but I really don't care for these because when you're doing your nails, sometimes they move around and they'll fly off the little magnet thing. They're stuck to a magnet, and they will fly off the magnet. A lot of people use this putty or tack on these when they do their nails. I have some of this. I bought this the same time I bought that other one. I also have these, but I recently ordered these, and these are good. These come better because you stick these on there clear. You can put them on there and stick your press-on nails. When you're making your press-on nails, you can stick these on there, and they stick very well. So I have these also. This is a nail curing lamp. And you know, like when you're doing the apres method or the apres dupe method, and you want to use gel to glue on your tips, which is what I did with these right here. I used the gel method. There's no glue whatsoever on these nails. I did the gel method to do these nails. And this is a little light. And here's it's a USB charging. It's a chargeable light. And you turn this on, and then the light comes on. And it seemed to be bigger than, I'll show you this one that I have. This is the one that everybody has, and the one that, like the one that Apres offers for, no, not Apres, it's another company that offers this lamp that you can, it has a foot pedal to go with it to turn it off and on. But everybody, a lot of other people are ordering this one from Amazon, and this is the one that I have. But to me, this one, it doesn't have enough light. It just doesn't for me. Look at there. It may look like a lot on camera, but it's not. It just doesn't have enough for me compared to this one. It has 6 lights in it. 6 LED lights. I did purchase this one from eBay. I have not seen it yet on Amazon, so it's on eBay. And it's charging. If you see, can you see the little red? Yeah, there's the little red there where it's charging. And these. There's 2 more that comes with each one of these. There's 2 more that purple ones that come with this, and there are the curved ones. And there's 2 more black ones that are curved. But I like the straight ones so that the nails can go across. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this little haul that I've done. And I've got some more videos that I'm going to be doing, hopefully. It just takes me some time because I do have other things to do. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.